Assalamu alaikum to all creative designers out there. Are you ready to welcome the holy month of Ramadan? As designers, we always strive to give our best in every piece of work we create, especially when it comes to finding the perfect font that matches the Ramadan theme. Well, now it's time for you to enhance your designs with an Islamic font that is perfect for Ramadan, which is Ramadan-themed. Ramadan is an Islamic font that is specifically designed to meet the needs of designing content during the holy month of Ramadan. With its elegant and modern appearance, this font offers various alternative styles for each letter, allowing you to create more varied combinations of letters. By using Ramadan, you can make your posters, greeting cards, or promotional materials more attractive and beautiful. Not only that, Ramadan is also very easy to use and compatible with various design applications such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, or Corel Draw. So, designers don't have to worry about using this font for designing Ramadan content. Don't miss out on this important moment. Download Ramadan now and use this font to enhance your content design during the holy month of Ramadan. Create beautiful and memorable designs with an Islamic font that is suitable for the Ramadan theme. Convey messages and values of goodness that are contained within this holy month through the content designs you create. Thank you for choosing Ramadan.